guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. I hope you are doing great today. In this video of Google Ads course, I'm going to teach you what is video ads. Basically, I'm going to explain you what is video ads and what are the types of video ads in Google Ads. Well guys, video ads are very important aspect in Google Ads because if you don't know how to run video ads properly, or if you don't know how to bring results through video ads, then you are not a Google Ads expert. To become a Google ad expert, you have to know that how videos works on platform like Google, YouTube, so that you can bring results through video ads, right? So let's directly get into the video and learn about video ads. So guys, before going forward, you might have questioned that where or on which platforms Google shows video ads. Well, the major platform where Google shows video ads is YouTube. Then we do have some other small platforms which comes under Google's display network, like small websites and other video sharing websites. And these are the some ads type, as you can see here, which comes under Google's video ad. As you can see, this is the ad type: must add, then skippable, non-skippable, in-feed, bumper, outstream. So these are the video ads type which comes, or which you'll be creating while creating video ad campaign. Now let's directly jump into our Google Ads account so that I can show you how to create, or well, I'm not going to create a proper campaign in this video. Let's directly create one campaign so that I can show you that what are the things or what are the types that Google has in video ads, right? So I'm going to take campaign without goal. Now here in campaign type, I'm going to choose video ads, right? Now once you choose video ads, you'll be able to see campaign subtype, and in campaign subtype you get these many options over here, right? You don't get any these campaign subtype options in other campaign types. Now let's start with the first one, which is custom video campaign. So earlier you could use custom video campaign, but now the custom video campaign was split into two parts. The first one is get views and then efficient reach, right? So earlier get views and efficient video reach was not there, only the custom video campaign was there, right? And in custom video campaign you get skippable ads, in-stream ads, bumper ads. But now custom video campaign is not here, so there's no point of talking about this campaign type. Right now let's start with get views. So as the name suggests, get views sub campaign type helps you to get views as much as you want. Now if you read this, get views and influence consideration of your product or brand with skippable in-stream ads and in-feed video ads. So if you select get views, you get two options: skippable in-stream ads and in-feed ads. Skippable in-stream ads comes between the video when you are watching video on YouTube, so skippable in-stream ads appears, right, which you can skip after 3 or 4 seconds. And then we have in-feed ads. In-feed ads is basically when you are searching through YouTube in web version or mobile version, you get in-feed ads, right? In the search results or in the home menu, you get in-feed ads, right? Then we have efficient reach. So this is just to get views, but this one is to get efficient reach. Basically, if you want to reach new users, or if you want to reach maximum users through your video, through your ad, then you should use this one, because it helps you to get efficiently reach in the minimum cost possible. Now in efficient reach ad, basically in efficient campaign sub campaign type, you get bumper ads. Bumper ads are basically the ads which appears in the first of your video. Basically when you click on the video, and the ad which appears, that is called bumper ad, because it suddenly bumps in your video, right? Then we have skippable in-stream ads. So I've already talked about skippable in-stream ads. So this is the combination. Efficient reach is combination of bumper ads and skippable in-stream ads, as you can see, or a mix of both ad type, right? Then we have target frequency. Target frequency is basically if you want to target any type of audience. Let's say you have shown your audience one skippable ad in any video. Now you know that that particular audience or that particular people have watched skippable ad. Now you want to show them non skippable ad with the same topic, so you can use target frequency with that, right? So that you can show multiple ads to the same person or to the same audience, right? Then we do have non-skippable in-stream ads. This is basically videos which are uh, up to 15 seconds, and those are non-skippable, right? There will be no skip option. Users have to watch the video till the end, which is 15 seconds, right? Then we do have drive conversion. This sub campaign type is basically designed to get conversions only, and it says get more conversion with video ads designed to encourage valuable interaction with your business. So this is basically designed to get conversions. If you want sales, if you want leads, if you want any type of other conversion, right? So you should choose this one, drive conversions. Then we have ad sequence. Ad sequence is very interesting type of campaign. Basically, you can set a sequence. Let's say you have created three ads: ad 1, ad 2, and ad 3, right? Now once your viewer has watched ad 1, now it will automatically show them to ad 2. The viewer will be not able to watch that particular ad 1, right? So this is the ad sequence. If you want to convey your story, if you want to convey your business, that how our business works, this one would be the best option to go with. Then we do have audio option. This is the exception one, because in video ads we get the audio option. This is basically if there is a audio only content, audio based content, then you can use this option. If you want to create audio based ad, then you should go with this one, like YouTube music like thing, right? So these are the campaign subtypes. I hope you understood all the campaign subtypes, right? And if you still have any question or query or any kind of confusion, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.